morning, student. Good morning, all of you. Today we are discuss the topic kinetic theory of ideal gases. Kinetic theory of ideal gases. Since we know that all the matters made up of molecules, and also we know that molecules are in random motion. Due to the random motion, we can calculate pressure, kinetic energy, temperature of the molecules. That means due to the motion of the molecules, यानी कि velocity of the molecule depend on temperatures, because as we rise the temperatures, the velocity of the molecule of the gases increases. That means we can say that velocity is the function of temperatures. If velocity is a function of temperature, due to which we can determine, we can explain pressure, energy and temperature on the basis of kinetic theory of gases. Kinetic theory of gases. So what is the assumption for kinetic theory of gases? Ideal gases. So first of all, for ideal gases, सबसे पहले लिखेंगे for ideal gases. It is discussed by initially Clausius and Maxwell. Kinetic theory of gases, ideal gases, is explained by Clausius and Maxwell. What is the assumption? Assumption of ideal gases. Assumptions में क्या है? We suppose that all gases consist of molecules. That means all gases consist of molecules. The molecules are rigid, elastic sphere, identical in all respect for a given gas. That means किसी एक गैस के लिए जो उनकी साइज होगी, मॉलिक्यूल की साइज, molecular motion, molecule temperatures, everything is same for all the molecules for a given gas. Like if we suppose a gas CO2 या hydrogen gas, then every molecule of the hydrogen are identical. Every molecule of the hydrogen are identical. But if we suppose another gas like oxygens, then oxygen's molecules are different from the hydrogen molecules. This sentence says that molecules are rigid, elastic sphere, identical in all respect for a given gas. जैसे मान लीजिए हमने हाइड्रोजन गैस ले लिया, तो फॉर हाइड्रोजन गैस all the molecule of hydrogen are similar different हो सकते हैं. The size of the molecule is negligible compared with the average distance of the molecules. Average distance. What is the average distance? That means if there are two molecules. Suppose that if there are two molecules, suppose that this is one molecule and this is another molecule. So what is the average molecule? Average distance. इनके बीच का जो average distance होगा. Size of the molecule is negligible compared with the average distance of the molecule. Average distance of the molecule से क्या होगा? कम होना चाहिए, negligible होगा. The molecule are in a state of continuous random motion, moving in all directions with possible velocities. That means molecule of the gas is always in random motion. Random is zigzag motion. Random is होता है zigzag motion. There is no uniform directions या unique direction. Random मतलब इधर उधर कभी भी मूव कर सकता है. Here and there. They can move. State of continuous random motion moving in all directions with possible velocities. जो भी velocities होंगे. During the random motions, the molecule collide and one another. That means during the random motions, they are collide to each other. यानी कि molecule are collide to each other. But and also collide with the wall of the vessel. Wall of vessel से भी collide करेंगे. During the collision, their velocity changes, change in magnitude and directions. यानी कि if they are collide to each other, then their velocities and magnitude are also changes. The collision is perfectly elastic. That means perfectly elastic का मतलब क्या हुआ? If they collide to each other, then it rebounds in backward direction with the same velocities. They are called elastic collisions, in which kinetic energy and momentum both are conserved. If the kinetic energy and momentum both are conserved, then that is called elastic collisions. The collision is perfectly elastic. There is no force of attraction and repulsion between the molecules. यानी कि if there are two molecules, then this molecule cannot attract this molecules. That means this not applied on attraction or repulsion on another molecules. That means there is no force of attraction and repulsion between the molecule. Thus, all internal energy is kinetic. If they have no attraction and repulsion force, that means all energy are in kinetic. Between the two, collision of its molecule move in a straight path with uniform velocity. If the molecule collide with another molecules, like this directions, here is another molecules and this molecule is collide with this molecules. If this move, then move with straight lines, not zigzag line. Okay. Suppose that if a molecule is here and another molecule is here, another molecule is here, this move in this direction is straightly path, and after collision it move in on this straight path, and after collision in this move in this path. That means straight lines. After collisions they are moved in a straight line path, straight path with uniform velocity. The average distance covered by the two molecules between two successive collisions is called mean free path. Two successive collisions मतलब this is collide with this and this is collide with this. After two collisions, ये this is first and this is second. this path and this path, sum of this path and this path, average of this path is called mean free path. That is called mean free path. The collisions are almost instantaneous. That means there is no time lagging between the collision of the two molecules. In compared with this is the mean free path. In comparison with the mean free path, that means the collision are almost instantaneous. That is the time during which a collision is last negligible compared to the time of the free path. That means यहाँ से यहाँ गया तो कोई भी टाइम लैग नहीं होगा. In spite of the molecule collision, the density remain uniform throughout the gases. That means, in spite of the molecule collision, the density remains uniform throughout the gases. That means, during this phenomenon, the density of all the gases are uniform. Okay, these are the assumptions of kinetic theory of gases, which is discovered by Clausius and Maxwell. Okay, thank you.